My name is Lena Green. I'm nutritionist and health coach. I'm about freedom, travel, online work, physical and mental health. I'm on my journey to see the world. I was living in many different countries for the last 3 years, and now I live in Dubai. The hardest part was deciding for the first time. My child was only 1 year old when we started our first winter in Sri Lanka. Then I understood I can live everywhere. Same time there, my career began. I studied and started working with my first clients. I watched lectures on the beach, wrote recommendations in the evening, then my son fell asleep, and received my first feedbacks. After 3 years of wandering and every time packing suitcases, I wanted only one thing: a long-term rent, at least for a year, a contract that keeps me in one place, but still lets me travel. This city should feel like a perfect airport. Dubai actually feels that way. Choosing an apartment in a city wasn't easy, but I found a Kalife article about housing. I looked into rental options for the first few months. I sent a request and they found about 10 options near the kindergarten, and 2 of them were especially beautiful. Manager Anna helped me decide. She saw that I'm a nutritionist and suggested a place with a huge white kitchen for my cooking videos. Sometimes the best choices find us when we trust the process and take the next step forward. Finding a new home in a new city can be hard, but the right opportunities come when we stay open. That felt like a challenge turned into the perfect place, not just to live, but to create and grow. And wherever life takes you, don't forget to take care of yourself. Eat well, stay mindful, and keep your focus on what truly matters: you.